Hey folks, got here is an Acura ILX. We're going to check the air filter for this customer. Okay, if you have the air filter, then buy it first and then you can replace it. All right, right now we're just going to check on it. Car is going away on the trip. All right, the air cleaner is located underneath this air cleaner box. There's 4 screws. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so I'm going to take it off with a Phillips screwdriver, unless you use a 8mm, I believe. The screw will not come out of the cover, so just unscrew it until it keeps spinning. So you won't be able to lose the screws like on most cars where the screw comes out. Okay, just going to spin it out until it spins freely. Then you know it's out of the bottom housing. Once that is done, this top cover should be able to lift. You might have to pull it towards you a little bit, towards the front. Let's see if we can do this. All right, because in the back has 2 little slots that the top cover slides into. So I'm going to pull it, I'm going to lift it up a little bit. Oh, this one's not free yet. There you go. And look at this filter. So yeah, change the filter. Just lift it up, people. This is the filter. You take it out, and it goes in one way, so you can't mess it up. But yeah, this filter is pretty dirty. It's time for a filter. All right, but if you're going to put it in, this is the way it goes. Clean out whatever debris that you see in there, either with a vacuum, blow it out with a little air. Okay, your new filter will go in just the way it came out. Make sure it sits in there nice and flush. And like I said, the back piece will fall into these little tiny slots back there. Line it up, and once it's in there, this top cover is going to go right over it. You can tell it's already solid in there already. You know what you have to do is just screw back your 4 screws here. You want you to do it diagonally. I could do like a tire when you replace a tire. That way it goes down evenly. Okay, got 2 down. This is the 3rd. The one in the back here will be your 4th. All right, and that's it. There's your air filter change. All right, so if you do it yourself, folks, you don't have to pay somebody another $50 or whatever they charge nowadays for a filter. All right, the filter itself is usually about $20, $22 from a place like AutoZone. All right, that's it. We're done. There's your air filter change. See my other video for the spark plug change. All right, thanks for watching. Ciao.